Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Something new today. We're going to look at Tawas Point Lighthouse, the last existing and fully functioning Victorian era lighthouse, 1876. Sadly, it's closed due to current events, which I cannot say, or I will be banned. It's beautiful though. It's got that rustic look with the peeling exterior. Well, that's all we're gonna see of that. There's a gift shop and there's a oil house, which we'll have a look at in a minute. That's pretty much it. It is property of Michigan though, the state of Michigan. The Coast Guard gave it over to the state of Michigan. The last I heard, it is still fully functioning and its light can be seen 12 miles away. Michelle says, too tiny. That's the oil house.
Too tiny for all of us.
It says this is actually where the kerosene was kept that runs the light. Pretty cool. In a safer location. That's the gift shop. So that was just for storing the kerosene that ran the light. Built in 1898. So that's the mainland. I'm coming on around and there's people there, so I'll swing around. And we're standing on Tawas Point, which has been elongated further and further and further by the action of the lake. Sand is continuously added here over the years, and it's much bigger than it was when they built the lighthouse, which is sort of cool. The water here is what you would expect in a closed-in lake rather than in Lake Huron, the Great Lakes. It's grassy and weedy and not exactly pretty at all. I'm very surprised. It's crystal clear. You can see the sand being washed up into a point there. It looks very much like an inland lake than it would an open Great Lake, but it is a bay. It is closed in this finger that juts out over the water like this. It curves, and that's the point of it. So it is quite sheltered. I don't know if you'll hear this. The only beach I've ever heard this in my whole life. It squeals under your feet. The only other place was Bay City State Park when I grew up. It's so cool. I hope you can hear that. I don't know why it does that. There's only one other place that ever did that I've been to. That is so cool. We're walking to the point, the farthest point. It's out there a little ways. I hope that records. It's so cool. Sorry, I'm a kid. That is the furthest point that you can get on, but we're gonna leave the birds alone. They're not too bothered about us. We're right here on a little part of the point. It swings around even further. It really curves right on around here. And then here's the bay, and then opens up wide. It's sort of a cool place. It's a long hike. There's the lighthouse. Or I can't see my camera. Where? There, way over there. I didn't think we were walking that far. I guess my legs are getting better. That's all the way around. All the way around. And over to here. This is where we're gonna rest for a while and watch the birdies. We're heading back, but there's this trapped little pool of water, and look what's in it. I can't see my display. If I can see, there's that rock. There's a school of fish swarming in the water right there. They're trapped in this little area, this little pool. I hope that shows up on camera. They're just swarming around in here, trapped in this little pool. Easy pickings for birds in here. There's some frogs in here too. There's this little pond. You can tell it's higher sometimes. Right now, it's cut off. They're so cute. They're so fast. They're so fast. Right here, the water is filtering out the black sand into layers. There's beautiful colors, and if I can get out of it, there's yellow, red, black. Look at it being sorted. It's beautiful into the different layers and colors right here. Look at there's yellow here and red, and then it goes into black. It's just so beautiful. I hope that shows up on a camera. With each wave, it moves and changes everything. It's so pretty. I wish I had a pan to test this. This is, look at this, if I can get it in my hand. It's so fine. There's garnet. There's magnetite, magnetic sand, and garnet sand in there in layers. Do you see the layers? It's just so pretty. And so fragile. It's so pretty. Look at the colors here. Can you see the different colors? There's red. And then there's the magnetic sand over here. And the red here. It's so cool how the water's sorting it out. That's all garnet. That's pure garnet right there. And this is magnetic. And that's just a mix, I believe. Look at how red that is. And there's our little peaceful private island where we had a break. Oh, you over there. All the birds. Well, that's it for this area, unless something else comes up. Please like this video, leave a comment, and if you haven't done so, please subscribe. You never know what we're going to do tomorrow. Talk to you later.